y'all, Dylan back here. I am still house sitting and dog sitting, and wow, it is windy. Wow, it is windy out here. I am outside just taking like I said, I am house sitting and dog sitting, and I am outside here with the dogs. Wow, it is windy. It is windy. I should just let the dogs use the bathroom. Oh, yeah, just like the other day, this is just another random video. Why I'm making this video? Really, no particular reason. I mean, really, no particular reason. Like I said, it's random, so I just decided to do it. It is a beautiful day out here. Like I said, it is windy. Hey, Scooby, come on, follow me. Yeah, there's one of the dogs that I'm watching over. He's a good boy. He's a real good boy. Come on. Of course, the other dog's over there. He's a smaller dog. I got him. I got him. I got him leashed up over there because he is known to wander off. And so the lady who lives here has a leash tied up to the railing of her front porch to keep him from wandering off. Now this guy right here, he just goes anywhere. He just goes anywhere. Although he does have a bad habit of wanting to chase cars. That he does have he does have a bad habit of wanting to chase every car that goes by here, and I'm not going to let that happen because I don't want him to get hurt. But yeah, guys, as you can see, I am out in the middle of nowhere. I am out in the middle of nowhere. In fact, in fact, the nearest town is back that way, and it takes a little, it takes a little while to get to. Oh, there he is. What are you doing in there? Hey, what are you doing in there? Come on, get him out of there. Come on. No, 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 no. Don't go in the field. Come on. No, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Scooby. Every now and then he likes to wander off. Trying to make sure he don't go anywhere he shouldn't. Oh yeah. He does like to go underneath this shed from time to time. Hey, get out from over there. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. And there he goes. And yep, and he likes to pee everywhere. See? Like I said, let the little guy, let him, walk around in limited space, and then let him get some exercise. Well, not gonna lie, I am looking forward to going home. I'll be going home on Saturday. Which thankfully the lady who lives here, she's already paid me in advance because it'll be about another week or two before she gets back. And so Saturday, her granddaughters. Oh, I hear a vehicle. Is that a vehicle? Yep. And we hold him because he's gonna want to chase. He's gonna want to chase it. Oh no, you don't. Oh no, you don't. You're one. No. No. You're gonna want to chase after that truck. I ain't gonna let you. Wait till that truck gets a safe distance from here before I let him go. Like I said, this is for his own protection. Alright. Truck should be far away distance now. Yeah. But yeah, the lady who lives here, I've known her for years. Wait a minute. Oh, I thought that was another vehicle. Yeah. I've known a lady who lives here for years. I knew her husband. Unfortunately, her husband passed away in February of 2020. Of course, all this you see, this was mostly her husband's. Although she did do some things out here. Yeah, see this shed right here? But yeah. So, yeah, that shed over there, that's her shed. She bought it a couple years ago. See, she's in the lady who lives here, she's into antiquing. Hey, get back here. Get back here. Alright, well, I best take these two back into the house. Come on, let's go. Hey, come on. Come on. Let's take these two back into the house. And then I will end this video. Oh, before I forget, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Hit that like button and notification bell. Share this video and my channel to your social media outlets. And wow, the wind has picked up. So if you can't hear me right now, that's why. The wind has really picked up. Yeah, here's this little guy. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this video right here. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and notification bell. Share this video and my channel to your social media outlets. I thank you all for watching my videos and being subscribed to my channel. And with that being said, I'll see you